Hey guys, if you have one of these, you might need some of these. Stick around, I'm going to show you how you can make your own dominoes, and we're going to see how much money you can save doing it yourself. Here I've got a cherry and a walnut domino we made with router bits from FindBuyTool. So when I was researching this, I couldn't find a video telling me what size the material needs to be before you run it through the router table. So I spent a lot of time and a lot of test cuts and a lot of material to get that for you. So stick around, check out the description. I'll have the measurements and notes. Hopefully they'll help you and save a lot of time. FindBuyTool sent me the 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter tenon cutters. I'm going to show you prices for these 4 bits, as well as how much the actual dominoes cost if you buy them online. So please smash that like and subscribe button. One of the things I noticed when I was routing these dominoes is I think I had the speed too high on the router, and my router doesn't have a speed control. So I had one of these router speed control. It's just a plug-in and you can control the power of your bit. It controls the amount of electricity to the router, so it slows it down. Kind of maybe a limiter, I'm not sure. But for me, when I was routing those dominoes, I had better success around 70%, 75% power on mine. That could differ depending on the router you have. So just the speed of your bit could be an issue. You need to research that yourself. What's this? Hey guys, when I first bought my Systainer, it comes with an assortment of your dominoes. 4 years ago when I bought it, this was $400. Today I think it's around the same price. That's a lot of money. And you know what I found out? I don't use a lot of these little dominoes. If you're new to routing, a big thing you're looking for is a 1/2-inch shank. That means it has a 1/2-inch collet that fits onto your router table or your router. 1/2-inch gives you less vibration, greater strength, and honestly, there's no way I would have tried this with a 1/4-inch shank router bit. So these router bits are very high quality. I would absolutely recommend them. I was super pleased with it. So FindBuyTool sent me this set of 4 router bits to make my own dominoes. They've got them on sale right now. I'll share a link in the description where you can get yours. Super happy with it. I'm all about saving money long term. Now, why would I make walnut and cherry dominoes? For me, I can really see that I had a few scraps of that laying around that were just the right size. That's why I use those. Pine, there's no way I would use pine. But I've got oak. I could have made some oak ones, but I plan on making some boxes that have cherry and walnut, and you can use that domino to make a through tenon so that you can have contrasting colors showing on the boxes. I won't show that in this video, but if you want to see it, stay tuned for the channel, subscribe for more.